Hi, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chef Johnyshwa. We are here early in the morning here at Homedale High School, and we just had an opportunity to make Thai-style omelet. Now, Thai-style omelet, not necessarily something served for breakfast, can be served more with entrees over rice and different accoutrements. So, to get you started for today, I have in a bowl here, I have some chopped peanuts, I have some vinegar, apple cider vinegar. You can use lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're gonna use this on top to garnish our Thai-style omelet. Secondly, I have some rice made. This is jasmine rice, and the rice was just cooked with water, nice and plain. Secondly, we have our egg and our cornstarch mixture. Again, vinegar, fish sauce, and water, and cornstarch. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that with the egg. Secondly, you see over here, we have the oil. The oil is considerable amounts, and we had this on 100, and we really want this to start smoking, okay? So, first thing I wanna do is I wanna go ahead and take my eggs and make sure we whisk them. You wanna make sure the eggs are mixed really well, okay? And they're actually looking a little fluffy, okay? And that's what we're looking for them. We're gonna go ahead and mix our cornstarch mixture. Make sure we have that all in. And then we can go ahead and mix those two together. Okay, we got that nice and fluffy. Looking really good. So we have our egg set and ready to go. We have our rice, our accoutrements, and then we're gonna garnish with a little bit of sriracha. We have some oyster sauce. We have some fresh Thai basil, and you can see we have some chopped peanuts, and these can all go in for garnish. All right, so let's talk about how we're gonna be putting our egg in. If you notice, the egg is starting to, or the oil is starting to smoke, okay? And that's really what we're looking for, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hold the egg up about a foot and a half, okay? And now that it's smoking, we're gonna go right down into the oil and kind of move that egg around. Okay, we're not necessarily looking for a perfectly round omelet. Okay, again, being a Thai-style omelet, but you'll notice how fluffy. Look at all that steam coming off, and the egg is going to be nice and crispy. Okay, not only crispy, but look how fluffy that is. Right, I'm going to go underneath the egg, and I'm going to flip it over. Very fluffy. Okay, see all that steam coming off of there? That's helping our omelet to actually rise in the oil. Okay, I'm gonna have my rice all set and ready to go. I'm gonna turn my pan off. My egg is nice and crispy. I'm gonna hold that up in the air, kind of drain some of that oil off of there. And we're gonna go right into the bowl. Okay, now that we're in the bowl, we're gonna put a little schwa, Johnyshwa on top. Okay. We're gonna garnish this with a little bit of sriracha, a little bit of oyster sauce. This is my own, not necessarily Thai, but I think this goes really well on here, but not much, very little. We're gonna garnish it with some crushed peanuts, and then we're gonna finish this with a little bit of Thai basil. And I have a little bit of Thai basil in that schwa also. And there you have it.
Looks so
Thai
pretty.
fried omelet. And we have my very good student Paris here, who's really excited. And we're gonna get ready. Paris is gonna enjoy this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed another episode, sharing my family's food with yours, and have a great day.